Looking for a power cord that won't let your network equipment down? The Tripp Lite 6-foot C15 male to C14 female 14 Aruban Florence power cord offers the dependable connection your servers and storage devices need. Whether you're setting up a new rack or replacing worn cables, this cord ensures a secure, high-quality link between your hardware and power sources. It's not just any cable, it's built to last, with materials designed for heavy-duty use and a lifetime warranty that backs it up. I've seen firsthand how crucial the right power cord can be in a busy IT environment. When our team needed to install a new server quickly, the wrong cables threatened to delay everything. That's when this Tripp Lite cord came through. Its precise fit for C15 and C14 connections meant no compatibility headaches, and the 14 Aruban Florence thickness handled the load without overheating. Plus, it's RoHS-compliant, so you know it meets environmental safety standards. This isn't just a cable, it's peace of mind for your critical infrastructure. If you manage servers or network gear with C15 power plugs, this Tripp Lite cord is worth a look. It connects seamlessly to PDUs and UPS systems with C14 inputs, making setup straightforward and reliable. The 6-foot length offers flexibility without excess slack, keeping your workspace neat. And with Tripp Lite's lifetime warranty, you get long-term protection against defects. Ready to upgrade your power connections? Try the P018006 when you're ready to invest in quality that lasts.